analyze a fundamental reality of our time. It's time to strip away the abstractions and confront the physical foundation of the next global order. This is the power equation.
Think about it. The entire structure of modern artificial intelligence, every single algorithm, every prediction, it all rests on one single, inescapable input. It runs on electricity.
It's not born from some abstract thought or a spark of human inspiration. That's a romantic illusion. And it's not just a product of software. Code by itself is inert. It's useless without the energy required to actually execute it. The first and final requirement is electricity. This is the non-negotiable bedrock of this entire system.
Okay, so once you understand that foundation, we can build the next part of the equation, the relentless, escalating demand for that very power.
Just consider the sheer scale of the ecosystem. You've got every large language model in training, every data center churning through queries, every automated system replacing a human task. Each one of those consumes power. And the total amount, it isn't small. It's massive, and it's growing exponentially. You see, this relationship is a structural reality. There's a name for it, the scaling law. It means that as AI capability increases, its appetite for energy scales right along with it. They are locked together. More energy enables greater capability, and this is the critical variable that transforms the entire equation. It's what turns this from a technical problem into a geopolitical one, because energy is not and has never been evenly distributed across the globe. This scarcity and uneven distribution is creating a new map of global power, and it's a map defined not by ideology, but by infrastructure. The logic here is brutally direct. The nations and entities that control the sources and distribution of energy will, by default, control the amount of computational power that can be deployed. And in the 21st century, control of compute is the gateway to dominance. So whoever controls compute capacity controls the development and deployment of artificial intelligence. It's a direct chain of command.
This means we have to reframe our understanding. The race for AI supremacy isn't happening in some abstract digital world. It is a physical contest of infrastructure politics.
The strategic assets have shifted. The oil fields of the 20th century, they've given way to the stability of national power grids. Industrial factories are now eclipsed by hyperscale data centers. And where we once fought over physical pipelines, the new battle is for total energy security. And this gives us a new, critical definition: AI security. A nation's ability to develop and defend its artificial intelligence is now a direct function of its national energy security. You simply cannot have one without the other.
So the inevitable outcome of this equation is not decentralization. It's a profound and rapid concentration of power.
The consequences are stark, almost binary. Nations that lack a stable, abundant energy supply, they won't be able to scale their AI ambitions. They will fall behind. It's the same for corporations. If they can't secure massive amounts of cheap power, they will fail to compete in the new age of automation. The popular narrative focuses on this perceived competition, a race of algorithms and code. But this is a distraction. The real competition is for control over the energy supply. Look, ownership of the computing hardware, the machines themselves, that's important. But the ownership and control of the energy that makes them function, that matters more. It's the ultimate strategic layer. So don't make the mistake of calling what is happening a simple digital transformation. That term is too benign, it's misleading. What we are actually witnessing is a physics-based power concentration on a global scale. Black signal. Follow for power intelligence.